Hi guys, in this class I will share some outline for the day 1. This is a basics of Python programming in which I will share different topics that we will cover in the day 1. So at first this topic will be discussed, that is an introduction to Python. Inside introduction to Python topic, these topic will be discussed. For example, what is Python? Python based system, different system that work on the basis of Python programming. Scope of Python, companies that use Python, different companies that use Python in their project. So these are different topics will be discussed in the first topic. So installation of Python. First of all, before downloading or installation of Python, you have to check Python in your system, because some operating system come with the installation of Python when you install that operating system. So for that reason, you have to test at first whether Python is installed in your system or not. And then I will tell you how you can download a Python and how you can install a Python properly. In the next, I will discuss with you about introduction to IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment. What is IDE? Different IDE will be discussed. Another, Python Hello World program. This is very basic program that will create in the Python programming. There are different methods to create a Python file and execute that Python file. I will discuss with you that two methods. So another basics are fundamental concept in the Python, that are input output function in the Python, what is program and statement, comments, terminator, indentation, result word in the Python. So these are different Python fundamental concepts that discuss in the day 1, and at the end I will share a Python programming exercise for your practice.